Hello, today we're at Beech Grove on the outskirts of Altarnun, one of North Cornwall's most picturesque parishes, and the property behind me is a 4-bedroom detached character home benefiting from over 2 acres of wonderful grounds and gardens, a wonderful lifestyle. So welcome inside this wonderful 4-bedroom property. Here we are in the main sitting room. As you can see, it's dominated by this lovely stone fireplace with a whacking size piece of local granite. Sat in here during the evening enjoying the relaxation with that lovely glow of that wonderful fire really epitomises the living and lifestyle available in this truly unique property. So as we come in to the main dining space, as you'll see, it's a wonderful open, light and airy space. Again, with a fantastic fireplace. Really feel this is great for those buyers who love to entertain. So we're now into the kitchen. As you can see, this is a dual aspect space with loads of natural light. Perfect for modern living with space for casual dining as well. What I really like is this outlook from the kitchen sink, being able to gaze out into the garden, all its colour, with Dartmoor visible in the far distance as well. Just perfect. So on the first floor, we have 4 double bedrooms. The master bedroom is dual aspect, benefiting from a range of fitted wardrobes and an ensuite shower room. The family shower room WC has an electric shower, large cubicle and a heated towel rail.
In all, Beech Grove has 2.24 acres. This includes a field at the rear, which is just perfect for those that would like horses, to keep poultry, and just to live the perfect lifestyle. There's also access from the lane directly into the field for extra convenience.
So let's sum up. 4-bedroom home, loads of character, beautiful setting, gardens, land, fantastic views. For more information, please contact Fine & Country now on 01566 771919. Thank you.